In this tutorial, we are going to make a crown splash with SimFX simulation tools. Firstly, duplicate your object by pressing Shift and D. Then go to Object Rigid Body and click Add Active. Add a drag force field and change Z direction to -Z axis. Then go to SimFX Fluids tab and press Create Fluid Tank button. Set strawberries as collision and increase substeps. Set solver type as APIC. Then go to Viscosity tab and press Enable Diffusion button and increase the surface tension parameter a little bit to add the small-scale fluid effect to our simulation. Increase the resolution and render your simulation.